That's solid job, Jinx.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're here at the Carolina Cup for the 4th annual surf tournament.
5 minutes to go. A few hours ago, but the Lord works in mysterious ways. We set up ground, and now the sun's shining.
What's up, everybody? Guess who we ran into here in Surfside Beach at the surfing contest?
That retro Myrtle Beach guy.
And RadioActive Tiki.
Go check out their channels. They'll show you all kind of stuff around the beach. So if you're unfamiliar with where the surf contest is, it's right here in Surfside Beach at the Holiday Inn, right on the corner. Well, that'll do it for the Carolina Cup Pro-Am Surf Fest. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can get down here and always keep beaching.